I've got the photo. You can. It's a video, so say something to each other.
Kia ora everybody.
Yeah, now we have to break in and get some equipment. We've got to get our elders to have a cup of tea and food. Because if we don't break the tapu wairua, then we haven't done our thing.
Are you going to see them anyway?
Yeah, I'll see them.
I was here last year and there's anything like that.
I just wondered what was happening with the cup of tea for the old kamatuas. Are they able to come in for a cup of tea? They put their koha on the thing for the lunch. It's just that it's part of the tikanga to awhia food to break the tapu wairua, even if it's only a glass of water. Welcome them in? Okay. Thank you.
Hey, Roddy.
It's lovely to hear you're being invited to the marae.
You know, I am over 60 years. I've had a lot of Maori friends and everything, and I find Maori people have to come and invite. Don't have to, but I just have never ever been invited to a marae. And I've even spoken to people that I've never ever been to a marae or anything.
Because what the mayor did was fundamental. He actually